Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramon at Home. I could not be more excited for you to be here today because today I'm gonna share with you my very first Christmas home tour 2021. I've never done a home tour and I cannot wait for you guys to see what I've done to decorate my house for Christmas 2021. Are you ready? Come on in. This year, I really love the way this living room turned out, all decked out for Christmas in our Frozen theme. You guys, let me just give you a little rundown of all of the new pieces that I purchased for this particular makeover. So I went ahead and bought these two beautiful chairs you will see on the screen that were super affordable and they came from Target. I really recommend them. They're really affordable, comfortable, and beautiful. I also went ahead and bought this beautiful stool right here that it is just an accent to kind of fill in the furniture piece right here, and it really just balances the arrangement. Also, I bought a beautiful coffee table that I needed because I used to have a trunk. Now, I really do recommend this one as well. It is airy, it is glass, and it really reflects the light. It makes the space look bigger. Way the Frozen Christmas looks right here, and as you guys saw on previous videos, what I did is I did a swag that just goes to one side, and I put this beautiful angel from Shinoda Design Center, and a story about her is that when I was doing this garland right here, she took a tumble. This wing just shattered, but I had to glue it back together, and she looks absolutely beautiful. It is more meaningful now because I know that sometimes we fall and we break, but you know, we can be repaired if we just let our creator repair ourselves and just put us back. But what I did right here is I went ahead and just put all of these ribbons and garlands on this side, and I added some snowflakes, some ornaments. I went ahead and I did some swoops right here of crystals, and I repeated it on this side, and I'm just obsessed with these beautiful snowflakes that I've been collecting for many years right now. I love, like I said, the arrangement right here. Over on this side by the window, there is another beautiful floral bouquet. You guys know that I've been teaching you how to make floral bouquets for a long time, and you can find that video as well as the one here on the coffee table. So now I'm gonna take you to the other side and show you my beautiful Christmas tree. I'm very proud of it. I would be lying to you guys if I didn't tell you how obsessed I am with this Christmas tree. This year I wanted no glitter whatsoever because I work with glitter basically all year round. So I didn't want my home to be all covered up with glitter. We'll worry about that next year. But for this year, I wanted to do all glass and crystals all throughout the home to really create a statement. And I really think that this tree does just that. Now I want to give you a secret. I've been collecting these ornaments for over 10 years. Every time that I see an icicle or I see a garland with crystals or see-through ornaments like this one right here, I just go ahead and buy them and I store them away. And actually I was looking for the perfect Christmas tree to display something like this. And this tree, it is perfect for just that because it has some branches that really protrude out and you can hang ornaments and icicles from it and you still have the depth that you need for those ornaments to really hang. I love the way this turned out. I love all see-through and glass. It just, the way it sparkles and it catches the light. So I'm gonna give you a tip. If you are decorating your home and you want no glitter, I really recommend to go for something that is, whether it's matte or whether it's crystal and see-through. And if you don't have enough to put together a Christmas tree like this, just go ahead and start collecting. And the way I like to do that is every time that I'm out of the store, whether it's the holiday season or off the holiday season, if I see something that it goes with that theme, I just go ahead, I buy it, I store it away, and then I'm able to put something together like this. I love this way this turned out. I hope you enjoy it, but now I want to take you into the dining room and show you what I did over there. Come with me. Here in the dining room, I wanted to continue the frozen theme by using a lot of glass and crystal. And I'm gonna start with the table. I went ahead and found some of these beautiful chargers that you guys will see. I'm one of my favorite local stores, and it just creates that see-through effect that I wanted to, because I wanted no glitter whatsoever. This year I work with a lot of glitter, so I wanted to bring some of the sparkle, and I did that with glass. I love the edge snowflakes on the centerpiece of the trees right here. The candlesticks are also crystal. And I found this beautiful glassware with a silver rim around them that really finishes off the look right here. Now, if you want to make a statement in your table, I really recommend some of these packages. They are a gift for your guests or your family members. And I just went ahead and added one of these little snowflakes, the same that are on my Christmas tree. What do you guys think? I want to take a second real quick to thank every single one of you for tuning in into this video. We've had a really awesome Christmas season so far, and I cannot wait to share with you more. However, I want to thank you for liking the videos, sharing the videos, for leaving your comments. You guys, I really love reading your comments about all of the projects that we've done, whether it's a Christmas tree, a wreath or swag for your front door, a centerpiece, or just moving furniture around. I enjoy having you here, so thank you so much for subscribing. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, the links are down below, because we do daily Insta stories, behind the scenes, and all of the things that you don't get to see here at Ramon at Home. So many of you already know that next year is going to be bigger and better, as we're starting our own store, and we're going to be able to provide all of the items for you to create the things that we're doing here on the channel. But more on that later. Right now, let's get back to the video. As you guys can see on this side over here, I created a beautiful scene with this beautiful Christmas tree that I actually made myself. Believe it or not, there is going to be a before and after picture, and I show you guys how to do this on Instagram. But I put all of these oversized silver ornaments and all of these crystal pigs, and I just put a whole bunch of birds landing on this icicle pigs, and I love the way this looks. Now I accented this with this picture that actually belonged to my grandmother. She gave it to me because she thought it would be perfect to use for this holiday season. And I found this lamp right here at a local antique store, and I think it is perfect because it is made out of Waterford crystal, and I just love the way it really plays with the crystal on the table. Now on this side of the room, there is a big massive wreath that is just showered on big ornaments like the ones on the Christmas tree. And then also I want to show you this work in progress, which is the wreath that is going to be going on the window in the dining room. And I just want you guys to see all of these crystals. They're draping in crystals. They are so beautiful. They need to be cleaned, but I just love the way this is looking. It is giving it that frozen feel and look that I am going for this year, and I'm having so much fun. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, isn't it? And that is a perfect way to accent your home, you guys. Remember, this whole room only has 3 focal points, one being the Christmas tree, the table, and then your wreath right here, and it all matches perfectly. I really want to encourage you guys to try something different this year or next year. Do something that you never thought you would do. One of the things that I never thought I would do was to just leave plain greenery without ribbons, and I really like it. I think that it looks absolutely gorgeous with just the greenery showing on the garland, on the wreath, and on the Christmas tree. However, next year I already have a plan, and that's going to be a very elegant Burberry theme, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what's in my mind. The other secret is start collecting and start prepping for that years in advance. Like I told you before, this is something that I put out for another 10 years in order to show you guys today, and I am loving the way this look. I really hope you enjoy it as well. So what do you guys think? I personally had so much fun putting this very first Christmas home tour here at Ramon at Home, and I cannot wait to read your comments. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part. What do you think I want to read all of your comments. And I cannot wait to share more ideas. We're just getting started. There's still a lot to come here at Ramon at Home, and I really hope that you'll be back here to inspire. If you want to see a video on how to decorate your home just for winter after we take the decorations down, be sure to leave me a hashtag winter in the comment section below. And if you have not seen the door swag DIY, I'm gonna link it up, or you just can watch more videos right now. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Merry Christmas, and until next time, bye.